Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just delivered 2 bikes today. Both the bikes came out amazing. It was a husband and wife team. It was Tremaine and his wife. So Tremaine has his black Street Glide that we've worked on before. His wife has a white Street Glide, which we just worked on for the first time. She got a stage 3, so we'll go over her bike first. So her bike, factory radio, flashed, HCAD Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, 2 Sound Digital evox 2 800.4s in the fairing. We did Cicada CH in the fairing. We did Hertz 6.5 in the lowers. We did Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. Simple setup, sounded really good. The bass sounded good on this bike because the bags were fiberglass, so they were stiffer, more volume than a stock bag, so the 8s had the chance to do their thing. Bike sounds really, really good on low power. I'm really happy with the way our bike sounds. Then Tremaine's bike, we've been building this bike slowly. He started as a stage 3 high power a couple years ago. Then we went up to 10s. Now we sealed and imported the bags. So Tremaine's bike's a lot more aggressive. He's running, I believe he's running 2 Sound Digital 1200s in the fairing. He's running a 3000.1 in the tour pack. He's running Cicada mid-bass 10s in the bags, sealed and ported. He's running Cicada CH 8s in the lids. He's running Euphoria xpert carbon in the upper fairing and the lower fairing, coax. HKI Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, Braille, lithium battery. Obviously his bike's louder and more powerful, but his bike sounds great as well. It was cool that we got to build both bikes together, deliver both bikes. They were both here to pick up the bikes, and then we went through their playlists and their songs and their phone, went over the settings. Check out the builds. I'm really excited. I love it when a husband and wife team comes in and then they have the same passion, they ride together, they build together. The last time we got to do a build like this was when Robles on 2. Came, husband and wife team as well. So that time it was opposite. She had the more powerful build. He had the smaller build. This time he had the more powerful build. She had the smaller build. But it's exciting. It's great. Check it out.
Step out, dress to kill, spark the L. What up, dog? What the deal? Clock the squill, the MC overkill. Certified silver dust 35 mil. Jumping out planes, docks the name, got the blame. Back to believe the pain. Hater, itch for photo, pisco. Hit the safe case, should've switched the code. Nigga, sneak a pound for custom drug hounds. Down to rob your neighborhood won't bounce. Me and my man jumping out sedans. Tapping your jaw like Sugar Ray did the Ran. I execute like wars in Beirut. 22-inch rims.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper.
Con lo mío todos se mueven, la fiesta la llevo en mis genes. Soy la reina de los memes, mi gente no se detiene, aquí nadie se quiere ir. Si el ritmo está en tu cabeza, ahora suéltate y mueve los pies. Me encanta cuando el bajo suena, empezamos a subir de nivel.
Toda mi gente se mueve.
La fiesta la llevo en mis genes, soy la reina de los memes.
Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
Dum-dums bust the scientifical approach to the course, and the force is centrifugal. Can you find your way through the lyrics that be catching them? Throw another rhyme across the room, they be fetching them. Then they take a loss to drums, please.
Here it is.
a groove, slightly transformed. Just a bit of a break from the norm. Just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove that soothes and moves romance?
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air, and Neverland just floating there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're right upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so low. I've been having tripping up for me. I've been having dreams.
Snoop Dogg, They say you can't spell the West without the ES. Real king, man. Hey, yo, Jigga. I want you to take off on this track, man. Like only you can.
You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. Hold up, I wanna rock right now. My name is Hov and I can't shake the town. Me your boy internationally known. But I'm from the hood, got a pocket full of stone. I used to cop raw bait, turn it into easy rock. Just to stay Dougie fresh, all that shit the easy rock. Used to chef Raekwon, give things a ghost face. Y'all know my forte, I just might catch a dope case. I'm master the G with connection in the dress, so I'm heavy in the D. The boy still super rap since a pup. I've been corrupt and the fuck with the dog